Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve Olympiad math problem, that is L plus M equals LMN, M plus N equals LMN, N plus L equals LMN. You have to find the value of LMN. So we will solve this question as, first of all, consider L plus M equals LMN. This is equation 1. Second one is equation 2, and the third one is equation 3. Now we will subtract equation 1 from 2. So write this as subtract equation 2 from 1. So write the equation 2, that is M plus N, then minus L minus M equals LMN minus LMN. So LMN is cancelled out and M and N are cancelled out. So N minus L equals 0. That implies N equals L. Now same as it is, we will subtract equation 3 from 2. So we have N plus L minus M minus N equals LMN minus LMN. So N and N are cancelled out. We have L minus M, that equals 0. So we have L equal M. Now for the third one, we have we will subtract equation 1 from 3. That means write the equation 1, that is L plus M minus N minus L equals LMN minus LMN. So L and L are cancelled out. So M minus N equals 0. That implies M equal N. Now this is the equation 4. This is equation 5. And this is the equation 6. Now after this, we will solve it further. We will write the results here, that write the other equation, that is N equal L, L equal M, and M equal N. After this, now take the first equation. Taking equation 1, that is L plus M equals LMN. Since we know that L equal M and M equal N from the new results, so we will solve this as L plus M means L plus L and L into L into L. So L plus L is 2L and L cube. So we get L cube minus 2L, that equals 0. Now we can take L as common from this. So L square minus 2 equals 0. L equals 0 or L square minus 2 equals 0. That implies L square minus 2 equals 0. L square equal to Now taking the square root on both sides, so L equal plus minus square root of 2. Now we get the results as L equals 0, L equals square root of 2, L equals square root of minus 2, and same as it is. We have L equal M equal N. So all the results are same. L equal M equal N, that equals 0 and square root of 2 square root of minus square root of 2. So this will be the final answer. So now we will do the verification. How we have solved this? Now we will do the verification of this. Verify as L plus M plus this will be take L equal M equal 0 in equation 1. So we get 0 plus 0 that equals 0. Now for the other one we have L equal M that equals square root of 2. So square root of 2 plus square root of 2 that equals square root of 2 into square root of 2 into square root of 2. It's mean that 2 square root of 2, and here we get square root of 2 square into square root of 2, that is 2 square root of 2. Same as it is when we apply the negative sign minus 1, L equal M equal minus square root 2. So this implies minus square root of 2 minus square root of 2. And here we have three values of minus square root of 2. So this is minus 2 square root of 2. So it will be minus 2 square root of 2 square. So this is cancel out and square of this is positive. So we get minus 2 square root of 2. It's mean that our roots are correct. So we will write now the final answer of this. So what will be the final answer? We get L equal M equal N, that equals 0 and square root of 2 minus square root of 2. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.